AFen hot food vending machine comes with 32 infrared touchscreen, and an inbuilt microwave oven that can automatically heat the food to 65 degrees Celsius 90 degrees Celsius in 60 seconds and guarantee an even heating. The machine comes with a thick layer of insulation and excellent refrigeration. There is an ozone generator in the machine for sanitizing to guarantee the interior hygiene and keep the food clean and safe. It can hold 68 to 160 food boxes at proper sizes, and it is compatible with different payment methods, banknotes, coins, cards, etc. The pickup door is electrically anti-theft and anti-pinching, prevent customers' hands from being pinched.